Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 2. Careful Hans. We already have done questions and answers. Now let's move towards the question number 2. Match the following. Here is option A and option B. So you have to match it with correct one. Foolish. Foolish mean not very clever. Spoon. Spoon used when we eat something. Grandmother. The mother of your father or mother. Sleeve, part of a garment. Hay, dried grass. Needle, has one eye. Working with words, fill in the blanks in the following sentences using prepositions. Number A. Look after it carefully. Look after means देखभाल करना. So after is preposition. It had fallen on his way home. Hans put the spoon carefully inside his sleeves. Inside अंदर वाले हिस्से में. So these are prepositions. Number D. He lived with his mother near a great forest. Near is also preposition. Number E. Hans walked behind the cart. Behind is also preposition. Number 2. Complete these sentences in your own words. So you can complete these sentences by using your own words, or you can also use the words from the chapter. In the afternoon, after tea, Hans went to home. Hans went for play. Hans dragged the meat with a string. string string. Or Hans dragged the meat with a string behind him. Or you only can say Hans dragged the meat behind him. Number C. Hans stuffed puppy into the pocket. Or you can say, you can use in your words, Hans stuffed the candies into his pocket, into his bag. Compound words. Sometimes in English we join two nouns and make a new one, so we call them compound words. Such as pen. Pen is a word, it's a noun. Knife is also a noun. When we join them, it will become a compound word. Pen knife. Pen knife means chaku, kalam tarash. Can you make four new nouns from these words? So, cupboard, door, bell, you can say watch strap, book, shelf. So use these words into your sentences. Cupboard. I put my register and pens in my cupboard. Doorbell. I ring the doorbell when I reach home. Bookshelf. Harris put his books in the bookshelf. Watch strap. My watch strap is broken. Add a, an, or the to the following. Means these are articles. So, an apple, a donkey, a yellow box, sun, the sun. We use here the sun. World, the world. An easy chair, a bag, a man, an axe. Or you can say an ox, an onion, a boiled egg. So correct these sentences in order and make meaningful sentences. He put his hand in his pocket. He put his hand in his pocket. You are a foolish boy. So you should have tied a string to it. Make suitable questions for these answers. Alright, you can take it. So we'll make question. Can you take it? Can you take it? Is it the butter, mother? Mother, is it the butter? That's what you told me to do. What you told me to do. Or you can make the sentence like this. What did you tell me to do? So we change told into first form And we use here helping word did. What did you tell me to do?